Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. We have very major developments flashed on the Bitcoin charts, and in today's video I would like to discuss those moves with you. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the links for the previous reports and even for the current report month trading signal reports in the video's description as well. And if you would like to verify or check any trade, then you just need to click on any trade link that I've shared in the report. For example, this is the trade setup for Strax that I shared a few days back, 5 days ago with my members. That was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move that Strax formed with US dollar pair on the 2-hour time frame chart, and you just need to click this play button and it will show you how the price then moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was, by the way, a quite big pump even beyond the sell targets. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my recent trade signal for Bitcoin that I shared with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Bitcoin was completing on the smaller time frame chart, on a 4-hour time frame chart. And you can see this was the move that I shared on 15th of December with my members, and I told them that we can expect a quite big drop from here, and then the price line can start the next reversal from there. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved down, completed the final leg of cipher, slightly moved down, then the potential reversals on, then we had a sideways, a very long sideways move for several days, and then the price line started a very powerful reversal move from the potential reversals on, and even rallied beyond the sell target zones. And during this move, it has also broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. Now a very big another development we have on this chart is that Bitcoin has crossed up this red line that is the weekly EMA 21, exponential moving average 21. And now this moving average can provide a very long-term support to the price line. Like after the big drop, when the price line here, after the drop of March 2020, when the price line crossed it up, then you can see that we had a very nice rally, and it also worked as a nice support for the price line. But before that, we also had this cross between the EMA 10 and EMA 21 as well. Like when this EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21, that was the beginning of a very big pump. Same as like that, you can see again EMA 10 is going to cross up EMA 21 very soon. You can see it is now turning up and aggressively moving up to cross up the EMA 21, and soon I'm expecting that we may have we will receive this bull cross, and then both moving averages can lift the price line to the upside. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame, then here we have already broken out this asymmetrical triangle, and after the breakout on the daily time frame chart, we have found another resistance here at $21,314. And you can see for the past several days this level is breaking as a resistance. Like here we got the last rejection, and now the price line is struggling to break out this resistance. But after breaking out a big wedge on the weekly time frame chart and the EMA 21 resistance as well, I'm expecting that now it can soon break out this smaller resistance as well. And there is a very huge development that now I'm going to share with you. That is when you can see we were moving up here, the price line formed this high here, and the next high was higher than the previous high. At the same time, you can see that RSI was not able to do so. That was a very big bearish divergence on the chart. Like RSI formed this high here, and the next high was lower than the previous one. And finally, the price line followed this bearish divergence signal, and we had a very big drop up to $15,632. And after finding the support here, the price line moved up, and now it has started this move with a bullish divergence signal. Like previously, we had the price line was forming this high here, the next high was higher than the previous one, and RSI was moving in the opposite direction. It was forming lower high than previous high. And now we can see that the price line after this big drop has formed this low here, and the next low was lower than the previous one. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI formed this low here, and the next low is higher than the previous one. Even stochastic is forming higher low than the previous low. So there is a double bullish divergence, and I've been telling you about this bullish divergence when we dropped at this support of the wedge and we were testing this support of $15,500 as well. Therefore, I was telling you that from here we can expect a bullish divergence, and the price line started the bullish divergence, and now we have also broken out the resistance of $20,000 as well, and also this resistance of the wedge. Now, the final target, the technical target, can be here for this breakout from the falling wedge pattern. That is approximately from $68,000 to $70,000, but it is also possible that because here we have a very strong resistance, by the way, the exact resistance is here at $64,895, because first we got rejected here, and several touch points we have here as well. So we have several touch points at this resistance. Therefore, this can be a very, very strong resistance. But if the price line will be able to break out, once it will be reached there, after that, if it will be able to break out, then it can start a very, very long-term move from there, because it will be flipped into a strong support for the price line. But before that, we also have a very, very strong resistance here that is coming on the way of Bitcoin, that is at $28,800, and Bitcoin needs to break out in order to start or at least move here to hit this target for this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.